Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for an India e-visa on the official website. So this is helpful because you can apply online, track your status, and download your e-visa before your trip. So first, go to the official Indian e-visa site. The India e-visa electronic travel authorization has 9 subcategories. So choose the one that matches your main reason for travel. You can check country-specific visa fees using the link in the description. You can also apply at least 4 days before your arrival date, and before you start, prepare these files. A recent front facing photo with a white light background in JPEG, your passport data page in PDF, any extra documents required for your visa type, and on the form, select your nationality, passport type, port of arrival, date of birth, and enter your email to receive updates. Choose your visa category, then enter your expected arrival date. And when you get your application ID, write it down. Also hit save and continue often because the site can sometimes freeze or fail to load. Next, enter your name exactly as shown on your passport. Then fill in your personal details, passport details, and address. If something doesn't apply, type NA or none of the above. Add your parents' details and spouse details if needed. Then answer the travel questions like past visits to India, denied entry, countries visited in the last 10 years, and SAARC travel in the last 3 years for your India reference. Use a friend or relative if you don't have one. Use your hotel details. Add your home country contact, then finish the remaining questions. Upload your photo, the JPEG one, and adjust it so your head fits in the marked area. Upload your passport page in PDF form, then review everything carefully and submit. If payment is required, you'll be prompted and a confirmation will be emailed to you. Processing is usually 3 to 5 business days, but it may take longer. So to download your e-visa, return to the site and select check visa status. Enter your application ID and passport number, then choose print status. To bring a copy when you travel, digital is accepted, but a printout is recommended. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.